Thank you so much, ma'am. If you want to order online, ma'am, yung details ko na sa plastic na candies, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you po. Salamat, ma'am. Chia ube. Chia ube. Ay, wait lang. Tapos na natin. Ito man pahawa ko siya sa inyo, ma'am.
Ano pong recommended ko to buy? Is it this one or is it this one?
Normally, ito yung mas mabenta sa akin, ma'am.
Ate, what do you wanna try? I don't know. I wanna
Try them all, ma'am. Normally, ito yung bestseller ko, itong dalawa, ma'am. Sa taas, ma'am, itong dalawa naman, ma'am. Ganun ang itsura niya, ma'am. Peanut butter, tsaka ube ko, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ano pong flavor?
Sorry?
What flavor?
Peanut butter siya, ma'am. So, crushed peanut sa taas. Sa loob naman, peanut butter filling with mochi inside.
Dear, that's what you want, but this is what I want. May kasama strawberry.
Yan, ito. Sa loob niya, may ano na siya. Pure, fresh strawberries, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I want. Because this is
Ito, ma'am, 150, dalawang piraso na to, ma'am.
wala pong chocolate and then strawberry.
I can make it for you. Yeah, I can make for you. Just for you, ma'am. I make for you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ako sale na.
Ito, dito siya, ma'am.
Ito na lang. I think ito na lang.
Hindi na to, ma'am. Sige po. No worries, ma'am. No worries, ma'am. Okay lang po.
Ito na lang. Ito ay salamat. Okay.
Okay. These two, no? Okay, okay. If you want to order again, ma'am, yung details namin. If you want to order online, ma'am, then it's yours naman,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hanggang kailan po kayo?
14.
14.
And then, Glorieta ko until 31, March 31. Do you live around here ba, ma'am?
Fairview pa po.
Fairview?
SM Fairview.
If you want sa, commissary ko is lang City Hall ng QC. Very near lang.
Thank you po.
If, iPhone ba yung phone mo?
Yes.
Can I scan this for you? Before nasa Fairview ako, pero long time ago yun eh. Maybe a year and a half ago. Home lang, ma'am, home. Ito pa, ma'am. Ayan na. Very high-tech, ma'am.
Yes.
Technology, ah. Yan. If nagustuhan mo, just let me know. You can message me na lang here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Kung gusto niyo mag-arts, ma'am, may mga free arts sila dun eh. If you like to draw, di ba? Paint, ganun. Sige, ma'am. They make this activity talaga for parang mga ganyan. Ayan, ma'am. If you want to sit more, just sit. Eto, ma'am. Gawin mong lamesa, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. We have a lot of chairs naman eh. Sige lang, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Mochi buns.